Welcome to our roundup of the best gas grill options for backyard cooking, family gatherings, and weekend barbecue sessions. Whether you want powerful heat, a spacious cooking area, or premium grilling features, we've selected top-rated gas grills that combine performance, durability, and convenience. We'll break down each model's key highlights, including burner power, cooking space, heat distribution, build quality, and smart grilling features to help you choose the perfect grill for your outdoor setup. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and prices. Now, let's fire things up and find the ideal gas grill for your cooking needs. The first on the list is the Electotic G31 gas grill. Featuring powerful heat output, spacious cooking area, and stainless steel burners, the G31 is designed for grill lovers who want reliable performance without spending a fortune. Equipped with multiple stainless steel burners, this grill delivers consistent heat across the entire cooking surface, allowing burgers, steaks, vegetables, and seafood to cook evenly every time. Its generous grilling space makes it perfect for family dinners, outdoor parties, and weekend cookouts where you need enough room to prepare multiple foods at once. One of the standout features of the G31 is its easy-to-control ignition and temperature system. The burners respond quickly, giving users precise control over low and high-heat cooking. Whether you are slow-cooking chicken or searing thick steaks, this grill provides steady performance that helps food retain flavor and texture. The porcelain-coated grates also improve heat retention while making cleanup much easier after grilling sessions. Durability is another major advantage here. Built with a sturdy frame and stainless steel components, the grill handles outdoor conditions well and maintains its sleek appearance over time. Side shelves add useful prep space for sauces, plates, and grilling tools, making the cooking process more convenient. The built-in warming rack is also useful for keeping finished food warm while the rest continues cooking. Overall, the Electotic G31 offers dependable grilling performance, strong heat control, and practical features that make it a great option for casual backyard cooks and barbecue enthusiasts alike. Next up is the Sophia & William 4-burner BBQ grill. Featuring 4 powerful burners, side burner convenience, and large cooking capacity, this grill is built for people who love hosting outdoor gatherings and cooking for larger groups. The 4 main burners generate impressive heat distribution across the cooking area, helping food cook evenly without constant repositioning. Overall, this grill combines cooking space, practical features, and reliable heating performance, making it an excellent choice for families and outdoor entertainers who want a feature-packed gas grill at a competitive price. Next up, we have the Weber Genesis E325S liquid propane gas grill. Featuring pure blue burner system, sear zone power, and premium build quality, the Genesis E325S is built for serious grill enthusiasts who want professional-level cooking performance at home. Weber has long been known for high-quality grills, and this model continues that reputation with excellent heat consistency, powerful burners, and durable construction that feels truly premium. The standout feature here is the extra-large sear zone. Designed to create intense high heat, it allows users to produce restaurant-style sear marks on steaks, burgers, and chops with ease. The pure blue burner system distributes flames evenly across the cooking surface, eliminating common hot and cold spots that can ruin grilling consistency. This makes it easier to cook different foods at the same time without worrying about uneven results. Cooking versatility is another major strength here. The spacious grilling area offers plenty of room for preparing meals for large groups, while the warming rack keeps food hot without overcooking it. Weber's high-performance cooking grates retain heat exceptionally well and provide excellent durability for long-term use. The grill also supports additional accessories for expanded cooking possibilities, turning it into more than just a standard barbecue station. Overall, the Weber Genesis E325S delivers outstanding grilling precision, premium durability, and exceptional cooking performance, making it a top-tier option for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Coming up next, we have the Electotic G41 Pro gas grill. Featuring high BTU performance, multi-burner design, and advanced heat control, the G41 Pro is built for users who want strong cooking power combined with modern grilling convenience. With its upgraded burner system, this grill heats quickly and maintains impressive temperature consistency across the cooking surface. Whether you are preparing juicy burgers, grilled vegetables, or thick cuts of meat, the G41 Pro delivers reliable and flavorful results. The grill offers a large cooking surface that easily handles meals for families and social gatherings. Multiple burners provide flexibility for both direct and indirect cooking, allowing users to prepare different foods at separate temperatures simultaneously. This is especially useful during larger cookouts where timing and heat control become important. Another standout feature is the durable stainless steel construction. Not only does it give the grill a sleek and professional appearance, but it also improves resistance against rust and outdoor weather conditions. The porcelain-coated grates help preserve heat while making cleanup faster and easier after use. Side shelves add extra convenience for food preparation, seasonings, and grilling tools. Overall, the Electatic G41 Pro offers excellent cooking versatility, strong heat performance, and premium-style features that make it a fantastic option for backyard grilling enthusiasts. The last one on our list is the Weber Spirit E325 Liquid Propane Gas Grill. Featuring boost burner technology, compact premium design, and precision heat control, this grill is an outstanding choice for people who want premium Weber performance in a slightly more compact package. Despite its smaller footprint compared to larger premium grills, the Spirit E325 still delivers powerful cooking performance and impressive versatility. The boost burner system is one of the key highlights here. It provides extra heat in the sear zone, allowing users to create rich caramelization and beautiful grill marks on steaks and burgers with ease. Heat distribution remains highly consistent across the cooking surface, helping foods cook evenly without constant adjustments. This makes the grilling experience easier and more enjoyable, especially for beginners. Overall, the Weber Spirit E325 combines dependable performance, premium build quality, and exceptional heat control in a compact design, making it one of the best all-around gas grills for everyday grilling enthusiasts. So, that's it for the best gas grills available right now. If this video helped you choose the perfect grill for your backyard cooking setup, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful reviews and buying guides like this one. All product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the flames hot and the food even hotter.